Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to guide you through the seamless process of logging into Breeze Airlines. Whether you are a frequent flyer or a first-time passenger, we have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First of all, open your preferred web browser and head to the Breeze Airlines website. Once you have arrived at the home page, you will notice the sign in or login button located at the top right corner. Click on that to begin. Now here you will be prompted to enter your credentials. If you are a new user, you will need to click on the sign up option given here. But if you are already a member, then simply enter your email address and password into the designated field. Now if you have forgotten your password, you can click on that link to reset and retrieve your password. Now you can also log in with your Google, Facebook and Apple ID. You can click on those respective fields by your preference. Well, logging into Breeze Airlines is quick, easy and hassle-free. So whether you are planning your next getaway or simply checking your flight details, remember these simple steps. Thank you for watching and happy travels with Breeze Airlines.